guys, welcome back to my channel. You are going to watch my very first Microlocs install. My name is Ann Garcon, and on this channel we discuss all things faith, lifestyle, and sister locks. So I'm actually installing Microlocs in my cousin's hair. She was ready to take that leap, and I was happy to help her with that. This is my very first. And I think I did pretty good for myself. I want you to watch to the end to let me know how you think I did. So you know the part has to be straight. So I was very anal with trying to get a really nice part so that the grid would be decent. It may not be perfect, but decent, so you can see the actual grid. Here's the final grid. If you'll notice that she does not want the locks to be too small, so they are still considered micro locks since they're so small, but they're not as small as some micro locks are, or even close to what sister locks are like. So I did a 2-strand twist method, and then at the end you'll see how I interlock the roots. So I was using this lock and twist gel. I did not use too much because I didn't want it to make her hair too heavy. So you'll see just a little dab right on the root, and then I twist down to the end. Notice the size of each lock. They're not too big, they're not too small. They're just the size she wanted. This install took about 2 days, a total of, I would probably say 11 hours. Maybe the more I get the hang of it, the less time it'll take, but yeah, it did take a long time. We did do some breaks in between as well, so that could be it as well. So she has thin edges, and I wanted to make sure that I still could catch some locks at the front, but I didn't make it too tight when I was interlocking because I don't want to rip out the edges she had left. One side down. I have to say I really enjoyed doing it. I didn't know that I could until I actually tried, and so I was pretty proud of myself. All right, all done. And now it's time for the interlocking. So I was choosing between 3 different tools. This one tool I saw off of Instagram. I purchased it thinking it was really a cool tool, but I think I have to be a little bit more skilled to know how to use it because it just was not working for me. So the hair wouldn't stay on the hook, so I couldn't use that one. The next tool is a tool that I got from the beauty supply store. They said this is what people use. I tried using it. Once again, the hair would not stay on the hook, and so it couldn't go through for me. So I did not use that one either. I eventually used the crochet tool that I use when I'm doing crochet styles. It was the best tool. It holds the hair goes all the way through. You can unclasp it, and then it all stays in the hook until you take it out of the latch. So I was very pleased with how this tool helped me to interlock her hair. And as you can see, I'm doing a 4-point rotation. Look at that. Yep. This is my preferred tool. So the interlocking part, at first it was a little difficult until I got the hang of it. And as soon as I got the hang of it, I worked a little faster. Overall, I had a great time doing her hair. This is the final product. The grid came out fairly well. Comment down below. Let me know how you think I did. She was very pleased with it as well, and she wanted me to put it into a style for her so that she could just, not have to bother it. So I did a little braid at the front, and had the back out just so that she could wear it for the week or however long she wanted to wear it for. Is all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Remember that there's only one you, so be the best you that you can be. Bye. Thanks for watching.